Right guys, welcome back. It's PW Wakta. Obviously you ain't seen me for a while other than that last video that we've done at the Ultimate BM show. I hope you enjoyed that video. There's something soon coming as well. We're going to be going to Santa Pod, but this is a little quick shorts for you. What we got is the M4 today, and we're going to be working on that. We've got a team over that's going to be redoing the little bit of edges on the seats and stuff that really need to be done. But let me show you what it's all about. So here we have a team. These guys are called the Mobile Leather Repair Service. It's Wayne, the normal guy that I'm dealing with. And what these guys are here to do is the M4 that you've probably seen in one of the videos. I've not really showed this car as much, but we've got a Tanzanite blue M4 Competition. Quite rare, it's an individual. And what we haven't done, you can see it's already been prepped. Those edges of those seats there, there's a few little scratches on the seats, so we're getting that all redone again. Obviously the way this car is, it needs to be immaculate. So on this side the seat is really good, it's just we've got a few blemishes on the edges, so we're going to get that back to original. So me and Turbo are here today, gonna get this sorted, but we'll show you once it's done, and we'll introduce you Wayne as well. If you guys want to shout him out, get in touch with him. He's a mobile service van, so he comes out to you. Just get in touch with him on the socials. We'll introduce you to him once we've got the after effect, so that's your before. Peace out.
Holla, wait a minute, bitch, I'm back. Got my hands around their neck like I don't know how to act. They can't imitate or replicate what I do, it's a rap. Bitch, I'm turning up, the price went up, yeah, you could do the math. Holla, round they neck. Yeah. Doing it better than ya. I raise the frequency when I step in the room. Look at her, look at me. Snap, I got the juice, yeah. Ay, I don't hesitate, I just apply the pressure, ay. And you know I send it out to orbit space. I ain't no average, when they see me, they go manic. When they see me on the move, that is when they start to panic. Head to toe, I got that magic. I'm confident and I'm classy. I'm the next big thing. On the throne is where I'm landing, yeah. Holla, wait a minute, bitch, I'm back. Got my hands around their neck like I don't know how to act. They can't imitate or replicate what I do, it's a rap. Bitch, I'm turning up, the price went up, yeah, you could do the math. Holla, round they next big thing on the yeah. Holla, round they yeah, fuck it up, yeah. Doing it better than ya. Let's go, ayy. Yaron Primark, yeah. Ayy, Makata, yeah. Let's get it, yeah.
This M4 is now done, it's looking bad. Come on, let me show you. Obviously Wayne from Leather Mobile Repair has now repaired these seats. You see they've come out like proper, manufacturer condition now. These sides were all worn out and stuff. So all come out, we've done the center console. We've done the other side of the seat as well. There was a few marks on the other seat, so we decided that we'll just go over that side as well. I'll show you that side. So you've seen the before pictures and how bad it was. Again, a reminder. Now, have a look at that. So now if Turbo decides to get in this car, the man needs to put some covers on the seats before he gets in. Because this guy, he loves to get into the car when he's got dirty clothes and stuff on. So that's how it is, guys. It's literally, you can get this done. There's a system out there. There's a guy that's called Wayne. He's from Mobile Leather and Repairs. And let's introduce you to this chap. See what he's done. Wayne, how are we doing?
Yeah, good. Yeah, good.
This is Wayne.
Hi everyone.
Chap, so we got in touch with Wayne from the socials of TikTok. Obviously he's been in the game for quite long. A bit about yourself?
Yeah, so we've been doing it about 15 years now. We tend to do a lot of cars, we do sofas, pretty much everything from leather to vinyl to plastic. But 6% of our business now is mostly cars, and especially cars like this beauty. BMWs, Mercedes, Porsche, Ferrari. We deal with all the high-end cars and we get them back to as new as we possibly can.
And you can tell that with the work that you've done.
Yeah, definitely. And we enjoyed working on this one.
Yeah. So
Really
what
good.
is it that you've actually done on this? If you just want to
Sure.
show the guys.
So basically what we've done is, for a start, with the age you get quite a few cracks in the leather. Okay. So what we've done is we've filled all the cracks, okay, and then we've sanded them down to get it back to the natural smooth finish again, okay, and then we've primed it, we've recolored it, we've put a finish on, and then we've polished it again to bring it back to the natural finish. So it's more of a natural look, and it's been finished with a matte, okay, and this is the standard for this model car.
Yeah, so this is an individual leather. There is some M4s that you do get with this sort of leather, but this is an exterior individual, extended individual, sorry. So it comes with the dash leathered and stuff. But you know, like I says, this is your man. We'll put all the description down below. You can get in touch with the guy, check out his channel. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Shout it out to anyone that you think that could do with some leather work, really. But I'm wild chuffed, and I'm sure Turbo, he's got the camera right now, but I'm sure he'll be quite chuffed with it as well. So these are you guys. They are only mobile, so mobile is there to repair. They've got a website, they've got their telephone number, so you can get in touch with Wayne directly. This is your man, and he'll give you a quote, send them some pictures, as easy as that. They'll come out to you, so there's no hassle. So excellent, thank you very much, Wayne.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. And we'll see you on the next project. Peace.
Cheers guys.